Sarah, how old are you? I mean, Elizabeth, how old are you? We're just gonna call you Sarah forever, aren't we? Are you 4 days old today? 4 days old? What's going on? Show us what you can do. Move your arms. Make funny faces. Yawn. Go to sleep. Can you dance to the music?
Are you going to be a dancer like your big sister? What is that? She looks confused. She looks confused.
Daddy, what in the HE double hockey sticks are you doing to me? You like that? You're so pretty. I think you're the prettiest baby yet. Don't tell your brother and sister. I know. It's tough to be 4 days old. So tough. Alright. There you go.
Look at her cute little dimples.
Yeah. Where'd you get those from? Boom, 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 boom. There's mommy being so cute with your cute little baby. And Shoo Shoo in the background. Hey, Shoosh.
That's not too. Here, I'm doing my exercises.
Yeah. Cooking does take lots of exercise.
Pulled pork in there? A pork one? Cool.
Alright.
And I'm sending you all the recipe.
Okay.
So if you ever want to do it again.
Bye-bye, Elizabeth. Yawn away. Oh, that's a good yawn. Yawn again. Can you yawn again? Yeah.
She might need a diaper change.
Yeah, I gotta go. Look at the time. Bye bye, sweetie. Bye bye.